guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Fernasha Vlog. So for today, I was gonna show you some of my other passion in DIY. So I'm not just keen into doing makeup thing, but I'm also love to design my own house. So for today, I will gonna teach you on how to do your DIY Sunburst clock. So upon checking in some malls, the price range is around 3,000 to 5,000 pesos, which is for me as a mom na nagtitipid, I found it a bit expensive. Pero kung meron naman po kayong budget, then why not buy? But I have a second option or a remedy for you. Small clock. So this one, I only bought this one in Unitap or Divisoran, any place that nakakahanap kayo ng murang clock. And we will be needing two sizes of barbecue sticks, which is yung mahaba at itong maiikli. So guys, I cannot give you exact counting of these barbecue sticks because I'm not good into measurements. Next is stick glue, glue gun, a spray paint, which is I chose color gold kasi gold yung gusto kong theme, and a unused carton para po sa pag-i-spray nyo ng sticks, dun nyo po i-spray yung sticks. So okay, let's get started. Pag nag-spray po kayo ng sticks, make sure that you're out of your house kasi like with me, yung aking anak ay medyo allergic sa mga amoy-amoy. So make sure na rin na you will spray your barbecue sticks or kung mag-spray kayo ng anything, make sure is nasa outdoor kayo. Sunburst clock. So it's very easy but it's looking expensive. So napakadali lang po niyang gawin. So later on, I will gonna show you once I put it on the wall. So for the meantime, ito ang ating finished product. So at kung may natutunan po kayo, for watching my YouTube videos. This is for National Vlogs. Have a great day. Bye!